Withdrawing money from Venmo to your bank account is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to transfer your fund easily. Step 1. Open the Venmo app. Launch the Venmo app on your mobile device and log into your account if you haven't already. Step 2. Access your balance. Tap on the icon or the Manage Balance option to view your Venmo balance. This will show you the amount available for withdrawal. Step 3. Select Transfer to Bank. Choose the option to transfer funds. You may see Transfer to Bank or Withdraw depending on your app version. Tap on it to proceed. Step 4. Choose Transfer Amount. Enter the amount you wish to withdraw from your Venmo balance. Make sure it does not exceed your available balance. Step 5. Confirm Transfer. Review the details of your transfer and select your bank account if prompted. Confirm the transaction to complete the withdrawal process. Once you have completed these steps, your funds will be on their way to your bank account. Keep an eye on your bank account for the transfer to reflect.